first let me tell you what Spenny is, and then I'll tell you how we came to that, came to this idea. So Spenny, essentially, the basic idea is that every time you do any transaction, we round it up to the nearest 10 rupees and we invest it for you automatically. Fairly simple. So that means, let's say if you go to a coffee shop and you buy a cup of coffee for, let's say, 54 rupees, then we round it up to 60 rupees, and that difference of 6 rupees is something that we invest automatically. So every time you do such transactions with your debit card, your credit card, your UPI apps like Google Pay, Paytm, etc., or even net banking, when you do a transaction through any of these sources, we keep it rounding it up and we keep investing it. So eventually, over a period of time, let's say even a month or two down the lane, you might not even know, but you already have a running portfolio of 5,000-6,000 rupees, and you don't even know about it. And that's actually giving you decent returns, like 12 to 16% returns. So that is the basic idea of Spenny. Now, how we came to this was actually very interesting. We did an experiment. Let me tell you what the experiment was about. This is pretty much the most fun experiment that we've done. So before we started on the idea, हमें ज्यादा कुछ आइडिया, हमारा सिर्फ एक ही गोल था. हम लोग को ये लगता था कि we came across the stat that only 3% of India invests, as opposed to like 55% of people in US. So the idea was that कि इंडिया में ऐसा तो नहीं कि पैसा कम है लोगों के पास, like there is enough money, at least enough money to start investing basically. But most people don't invest because they find it very complicated, very tough. Like for example, if I tell someone that, hey, you want to start investing, person will be overwhelmed with the amount of information that exists in the internet. Like kahan se start kare, how to start this, where do you start? There are so many decisions to make. There are like more than 2,000 mutual funds also. So mutual funds sahi hai, lekin सारे थोड़ी सही होते हैं. So basically, how do you know where to invest your money? That was the basic question. And so we decided, can we create an easier and a faster way to start investing for people? That was the basic goal. And with that being said, we were doing some research, and we came across a very interesting point. It said that in some a professor in Harvard had done this, MIT had done this experiment about monkeys. What experiment they did was that in one room they had a room full of financial analysts, and in the other room they had blindfolded monkeys, and in front of them they kept a series of stocks. The monkeys were given darts. The monkeys threw darts on that on the chart in front of them, and they selected the stocks where the darts left, where the darts go. And on the other hand, the financial analyst did a lot of computation, a lot of analysis, and created a basket of stocks. It turned out they simulated this for 30 years, and for 27 years out of those 30 years, the monkeys beat the financial analyst. And the funny part about this whole experiment was that their point was that investing is unnecessarily made complex and nobody knows anything. Like majorly, if you just invest into the sort of the top stocks in general, blue chip stock, you will over a long period of time, you will get a decent return. That is the point. So we were like, this is a very, very nice experiment to do. The next morning, in our entire co-working space, we put up huge posters of monkeys everywhere, in the elevator, in the coffee shop, in the work modules, workstations, everywhere we put up monkey posters with one caption: investing so easy, monkeys can do better than you. And we put this up everywhere, and we didn't write anything कि किसने किया है ये, कौन सी कंपनी है ये, हमने कुछ नहीं लिखा, बस हमने खाली इतना लिखा. And we just wrote third floor 3 p.m. Basically of that workspace. And the next day at 3 p.m. everyone, like there were 100 people in the building, everyone came to the third floor. We were not expecting that much. So what we did was that we put a spin wheel in the center of the room, and we told people, you have to pay us $5 Singapore. We were in Singapore, that's why. So you have to pay us $5. You can spin the wheel, and whatever stock you get, we had written different stocks in that spin wheel. Whatever stock you get, we will gift you that stock immediately. So there were lots of stocks which are penny stocks, and there were lots of stocks which are expensive. So you just have to, if you want to play the game, you have to spin the wheel. In less than 5 minutes, we sold out. We ran out of this thing of stocks to give out of our inventory. So that was actually very interesting because that experiment gave us an insight that investing is not something that people don't want to do. It's just that it's made out to be very confusing and complicated and difficult. इसलिए लोगों का मन नहीं होता है करने का. It's inertia to get started. So the thesis was very simple. How can we make it fun, or how can we make it interesting? That's it. That was the goal. With that in mind, we did a lot of experiments. We studied about a lot of startups, like Parvati mentioned, Acorns in US. So we did a lot of study, and we decided ki, let's take that up. Let's try and experiment with it. And we launched an MVP for that, and we got a lot of user response. And so then from that point on, it was like, ki, okay, I think this is a decent idea. Let's start rolling with it. So yeah, that's how we started building it up, basically.
And after that, how's the growth story at Spenny? How did you figure out? How did you talk to users to the current model that Spenny is?
Yeah. So post that, then it was a question of sort of going it in a more structured way. कि मजाक तो सही था, but अभी अगर इसको थोड़ा structure करना है तो कैसे करें? So then it was we spoke with a lot of users. We got to know some basic hypothesis. We validated a few points. We created a basic MVP. We launched our MVP. Got a lot of we got a decent amount of response in terms of that MVP. And then from then on, we started creating a community. Meanwhile, I was also fundraising. So Gaurav was focused on the product. I was focused on the fundraising part. We raised $1.1 million in seed round after YC. And then and so yeah, so all of those things were happening simultaneously. Eventually, we reached a level where we were pretty convinced that this is what we want to launch. And then it was a question of, once we had done the basic test, after that it was a question of figuring out the logistics, who will be our investment partner, how will we take care of security, what are the regulations we need to take care of, how do we actually market it, what is the first launch that we want to do, how will we get the first 100 users, first 500 users, first 1,000 users, and then grow from there. What are the basic feedback inputs to take in point, etc. And then we started just one by one. We started taking one problem at a time, figure that out, move to the next problem, figure that out. There is no set process. Initially बहुत सब random होता है, धीरे धीरे process बनती जाती है, लेकिन initially a lot of things are random. We hired our first engineer, then another engineer, then a designer, then one person on the business side, one person on the operations side, etc. etc. फिर वो बस वही है कि धीरे धीरे करके बनता गया, होता गया. So yeah, over the next 12 months, I think were very critical in terms of, do we survive as a company, and if we do, how much do we grow, what's the trajectory like, etc. A lot was fuzzy initially. हमें यही नहीं पता था कि हम invest कहाँ करेंगे पैसे, कैसे करेंगे, partnership कैसे होएगी, why will big companies or big AMCs or brand names partner with us, etc. So a lot of it was tough, but I mean, that's the thing, कि if you only do one problem, कि अब तो मेरे को ये करना है, there's no other option, ये करना ही पड़ेगा, you have to solve this, else you can't move ahead. I think it's like when your back's against the wall, you start figuring out stuff.